Hello, you guys, and welcome. So I apologize, but I have to put on sunglasses. It is so bright out here, and I don't want to be squinting the whole video. Also, I have never filmed outside before, so I have this mic. Hopefully the sound will be okay for you guys. So let's get into it. I bought this new NIPHEAN paddleboard, and I am obsessed. I had never gotten into paddleboarding until this year. We went out to the lake with some friends, and they all had one, and I was like, oh my gosh, this is so much fun. So we ended up getting our own. We now have 3 paddleboards and 1 kayak. So there's 5 of us in the family. So we are ready. So I want to show you guys this one. So this is, like I said, we have 3 paddleboards. This one is by far my favorite. Not only is it the cutest one we have, it is such good quality, and I have to show you the special unique feature in a second. The paddleboard is mostly blown up because I aired it up the other day. I didn't want to let all the air out because it it's kind of an arm workout to blow up. So I am going to show you guys how to blow it up because it could use some more air in it, but that's why it's not completely flat. But I will take it down, like I will deflate it and show you guys how easy it deflates. It came with this really cute bag, like carrying bag, and it's a backpack, so you can put it, you can wear it. And the pump is so pretty. All the other pumps that we have are black. I thought this one was so pretty. I love this color blue. And then I will show you guys how it attaches. So it like literally attaches itself to the paddleboard, so it's super easy to blow up. What makes this one unique is it came with 4 fins rather than usually the 3. We actually have one that only came with 1 like this. The other one that we have comes with 3, so like 2 little ones and a big one. But this one comes with this bad boy that goes in the center, and I will show you that too. This goes in the center, and this is just going to make it super sturdy, and like hopefully you won't tip over on it. But yeah, that was like the really cool unique feature with this one. And then it came with the little oh gosh, I don't remember what this is called, but basically it goes around your ankle, and then you can tie this somewhere on the paddleboard, so if you fall off, you're not going to lose your board. And then they did send us a cute little waterproof phone case. You can just wear this around your neck. My husband made the point of it, this thing is not going to float, so we kind of want to try to put some kind of floating device on it, so like if it falls off, it's going straight to the bottom. So we're going to try to find like yeah, it's waterproof, but we need to try to find something that will make it float. Okay, oh, and obviously the paddle itself. So right now I have it kind of long because if you want to stand on this thing, you need it a little bit longer, but you can, this comes apart here. You just kind of twist it, and it actually tells you like the centimeters on the side. But yeah, so you can like raise it and lower it like that. So I like to have it just like on the lower one because I haven't mastered standing yet. I like to just sit on it. So yeah, I just like to keep it like this. Let's inflate it a little bit more, and then I'll show you guys how to put the little fins in, and then I am going to float on it in the pool. Okay, so you are just going to unscrew this, and it's got a stopper on it, so it's not going to open until you push that down and turn it, and that's how you deflate it. But this thing just goes in, and it hooks in there nice like that. And then it also has a little like gauge right here to tell you how high to go. I want to say, yeah, it says 12 to 15 psi. So I think right now I barely have it at 5. So I'm going to blow it up a little bit. Now I'll show you guys how the little fins go in. So you slide it in, and then it has this little stopper right here that's going to go in, and it's just going to make sure that it stays in place. And then, of course, the big one. Okay. So now these are in. Now I'm going to move it into the pool and show you guys how well it floats. Hopefully this doesn't become a comedy video. Okay, so obviously my pool is a little small for this thing, but you guys get the gist of it. This thing is super easy to maneuver. And look how pretty it is. I love this thing. Ta-da! And I'm not gonna attempt to stand up because I got my mic on. I don't want to fall in, but this thing is such good quality. I highly recommend. All right, let's take it out and I'll show you guys how I deflate it and how well it fits in the backpack. You undo this, and then you do have to kind of push in with your thumb and then turn. Okay, so once you get that thing twisted, it is going to start deflating. And then what I do is I just start down at the end and I just start folding it to get all the air out. So I'm going to speed that up so you don't have to watch the whole thing. Oh, and it does have a little spot up here. I suppose you could put like a cup holder here, or like my husband said, you could maybe put like a GoPro or something. So this will just fit right in the bag. And you can even put the pump in there too. And then the oar comes apart as well. And you can just throw that right in too. And this bag is like, the zippers are really nice and heavy duty. And there you have it, guys. And then you can throw this on your back and you're good to go. I'm out of breath, so I'm going to go inside and get something to drink. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you found it helpful. Let me know down in the comments if you guys have tried this one or if you have a paddleboard. Hope you guys have a good one. We'll see you soon.